Hey everybody, Bob Holzacker here. Sasa, this is for you in Connecticut. It's a beautiful wagon that you picked out. It's a 2019, virtually new. It just came up from one of our customers in Florida, coming to Maine for the summertime. 26,990 miles, very young for a Mercedes wagon. It is certified pre-owned, and you probably know what that means. Unlimited mileage for an extra year on the other end. So you have a warranty on this car until 2024. It's going to be great driving around South Carolina when you get home. We can ship it to you down there. We're happy to quote on that. We use a well-respected shipping company in Mass, either enclosed or open. And I think you said you've done that before, so you know what goes into that. This car has the front radar system, the collision avoidance system, which is a real lifesaver for moose and deer and things like that. I guess moose wouldn't be too prevalent in South Carolina, but they are here in Maine, and trust me, you don't want to hit one. It's the 4MATIC system. Every wheel is always powered. As a matter of fact, this vehicle is biased 55 rear, 45 front as far as the torque distribution. I love the car in Lunar blue. It looks different depending if the sun is out, which it is now. Nighttime it looks black, and it goes so well with this saddle brown interior. Coming around the back, as you know, you still have that third row seat, which is great. Kids love it, and that's below here. And these seats fold down also. They can camp out and haul things from Home Depot, things like that. It's wonderful. That's locked, but all those are fold down. So let's come and look over here. Plenty of back seat room. It really is nice. There's actually more interior volume in this car than our GLE midsize SUV. It's just packaged a bit differently. This is a great car for trips, whether around town or on the road. And you do have the Burmester 580 watt sound system. That's here. Your seat controls here. Beautiful Burl wood trim. And take a look inside. You have the 12.5-inch wide nav screen, satellite radio. Everything is on this car. And you also know that it now has remote start based on a cell phone app. You can start it anywhere you're connected. It's going to show you the fuel level and tire pressure, and then start your car for 10 minutes to run either the heat or the air conditioning. So that's it, Sasa. I hope to hear from you later today. We can ship it to you right in California, in South Carolina, or in Rowayton, or you can come here and pick it up and then ship it later this summer. My number is 207-747-9714, Prime Motor Cars in Scarborough. Thanks, Sasa. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.